To help you cut carbs and get plenty of healthy fats in your diet, add more of the following foods to your keto grocery list. Each food contains high amounts of fat with a low carbohydrate content. Number 1. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is a known source of the beneficial fat omega-3. It's no surprise that omega-3s from fish are beneficial for your brain health and mental well-being. These healthy fats are thought to power anti-inflammatories and are linked to numerous health benefits including weight loss and chronic disease prevention. Number 2. Eggs. Even though eggs are traditionally thought of as a protein, more than 60% of their calories come from fat, some of which is omega-3 fats and only 30% protein. This makes eggs an ideal food for your keto meal plan. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds are a popular health food for good reason. They contain high amounts of heart-healthy fats and pack plenty of fiber and protein. Number 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are not only a healthy high-fat food, but they have a unique property that gives them extra weight loss benefits. When combined with water, chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their volume. This creates a gel-like texture that helps you feeling satisfied longer. Chia seeds are also a source of plant-based omega-3s, which are not quite the same as the omega-3s you get from fish, but still offer great heart health benefits. Number 5. Avocado. Avocados are one of the few fat-containing fruits we know of and a staple to any healthy keto diet. In fact, avocados are more than 75% fat. They are also a good source of omega-3s, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, folate, and packs a good amount of fiber. Also, this nutrient-dense fruit might also support more weight loss by helping to keep you feeling fuller longer. Number 6. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is not just a favorite food from your childhood, it's also a healthy fat that provides a variety of health advantages. Eating peanut butter has been associated with appetite control, blood sugar control, weight loss, and heart health, to name a few. In addition, peanut butter is a good source of protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. Just keep an eye out for brands that include added sugar, as this will increase the carb count a bit. Number 7. Olives. Olives are a nutritious, fatty fruit. Olives are also super rich in omega-3 fats and a good source of vitamin E, iron, and copper, making them a great food for a keto diet. Number 8. Drizzle some olive oil. Get a good quality olive oil and drizzle over cooked veggies, meats, avocado, and more. It will add a boost of flavor and increase your fat. Number 9. Grass-fed beef. Some cuts of meat contain more fat than others. Meats such as beef, venison, and bison are all good sources of protein and fatty acids. Just make sure they're fresh and grass-fed if possible, so as to avoid extra preservatives or additives. You can also eat poultry with the skin left on to increase a meal's fat content. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the keto diet explained for beginners. Thanks for watching and bye for now.